Tired of using AI? Now you want to build some projects. So what if I tell you a perfect hackathon is live where you can just participate, get guaranteed certificates, prizes, goodies, internships, jobs, startups, and more. So here we'll cover about AI for Bharat Hackathon and each thing will be in detail. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video. Coming to the hackathon directly, how you have to register all the things we'll cover. So this is our website for AI for Bharat, sponsored by Your Story. And here, some important things you need to understand: who can take part in it and what are the benefits. So anyone can take part in it, means whether you are a student, working professional, startup, freelancer, anyone can take part in it. There is no any requirement, means you need to be highly skilled. Each thing you'll be learning throughout the hackathon. So once you know about the eligibility criteria, the next part comes: what are the benefits and rewards for joining this hackathon? So you'll be getting a prize pool of 40 lakhs rupees, certificates from AI from Bharat team, which you can just showcase on your resume. Apart from this, you'll be getting some hands-on session. In case you miss the session, you'll get a recording from the AWS expert. And apart from this, you'll be getting a national recognition. As it is AI for Bharat, you are building something for Bharat. Now, apart from this, you'll be getting a chance to network across all the developers throughout the country. Okay. Now, how the journey starts? First of all, you have to just register over here, then form a team. And then you want to attend workshops, then you can just attend it. Or if you don't want, you can just refer to the problem statement. After that, you have to submit your idea and then wait for the shortlistment. And then you can start building your prototype. Okay. After that, there will be final shortlist announcement and then grand finale. Now, how all these things will be done? Let me just show you. So first of all, here you can see these are the winners of the Kiro challenge, which is expired right now. So currently the some challenge are live related to hackathon only. Hackathon phase is now live. Now here multiple tracks are there depending on your skill set, whether you are a student or whether you are a developer, professional, startup track. So here you can see they have mentioned the problem statement for each track. For example, if you're a student, you can see there are 3 tracks: AI for learning, media, content, communication. So here you can see their problem statements are there, like what you have to build. You can just see it over here. I'm just explaining a basic detail. Like for example, for learning, it may be related to development tools, assistant, tutors. It's showing that learning means educators, online educators, learning assistants, AI assistants, quiz manager, etc. Apart from this, for content creation, for SEO, schedulers, designers, writers, all things. So you have to work on these problem statement and build something, build your prototype and then submit it to them. Now here you can see all the things are there. Now for second track, that is professional startup track. There is related to retail investor, market intelligence, healthcare, AI. You can see. Okay. Now some guidelines are there for these tracks. Solutions should, what should our solution make? So solution should demonstrate meaningful use of AI. Okay. Not rule-based logic alone. After that, if you are making a team, you should clearly explain why AI is needed for this particular solution. And you can use AI for developing the solutions also, but don't blindly copy paste. After that, you have to just see the criteria, evaluation criteria, how they'll be judging you based on the ideation and creativity. After that, what is the potential impact this project can have in future and how it is feasible, whether it's cost effective or very costly, so that they can just know that whether you'll be able to make more prototypes related to it or not. Also, if you want to go into the market, whether you are able to sell it or not, means initial go to the market for value proposition and sustainability. Now here learning phase, if you don't know, if you're new, you know nothing, you can just see the live on demand workshops. Okay, you have to simply register and all the recordings will be sent to you via email, or you can just check on your dashboard. Here you'll be getting everyone who participate in this program and submit the prototype. They will be getting the official AI certificate from the team. Apart from this, there are multiple events also running. Kiro challenge is currently off. Earlier it was live. Now here we have covered all the things. So you have limited time because the applications will be closing on 8th of February. So you have time till 8th of February to hurry up and just register in this event. If you just see, I already made a video in December because the event was live in December. But as I got an email and some subscribers suggested that please update related to it. So I'm just making an updated video for it with the problem statements also. Now here all these things are done. After the registration closes, they'll just check your, they'll just shortlist you based on your prototype submission. After that, there'll be some more insights related to it. Like they have mentioned that prototype development phase starts after that submission. Okay. So registration is up to 8th of February. After that, you can just submit your idea, like what you want to build. And then your idea will be shortlisted. Then you have to make prototype and so on. So like this, make sure to take part in it. Let me cover some of the FAQs. That is there any registration fee to participate? No. Can I participate as an individual? So yes, if you want to participate alone, then you can take part in it. No need to form a team. But if you want to form a team, you can always form a team. The maximum size of team is 4. Okay. Now you can have no mixed teams are allowed to one track. Okay. So like you need to form only one track. If whether you are choosing student track, then you have to work on student track. If you're choosing the professional track, then you have to choose professional track. And if you change the team members, so dealing initial placement. So if you want to change your team members, you cannot change it. Okay. So try to add genuine team members who will really work, because I've seen people just joining for the sake of swags or goodies, but they don't do anything. Now here all the things are there. I'll find the workshops, all things are covered. You can just check out. Now how to register, you have to simply click on register over here, right? So once you click on register, you have to continue with AWS sign in. You'll be redirected to the AWS, and there you have to sign in. Now coming over here, if you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Now here some important things if you want to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade. I'll link the video in the description box. Also GFG Technical Scripter is also live. You can just check out the video for that also. And if you still have any queries, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.